We understand that a damaged credit card can be frustrating. If your CIBC credit card is damaged or not working, we can help. Simply log into the CIBC Mobile App or online banking to use the Replace Damaged Card feature and request a replacement card anytime. It's quick and easy. Our Replace Damaged Card feature is easy to access on the go, so you can get back to what's important in your life. Here's how you do it. First, log into CIBC Online or Mobile Banking. Next, select the credit card that has been damaged and go to Manage My Card. Finally, select Replace Damaged Card. Verify that your mailing address is correct and select Request. Once you see the screen confirming that a replacement card has been issued, select OK and you're done. A banner will be displayed reminding you that your card is on its way. We'll send you a replacement card with the same card number. Please allow 4 to 10 business days for delivery of your replacement card. In the meantime, if you are an existing mobile wallet user, you can continue to use your mobile wallet on your phone for purchases while you wait for your new card. If you haven't set up your mobile wallet, adding your credit card only takes a few moments. You can set up Apple Pay right from within the CIBC Mobile Banking app by clicking Settings from your main menu and then selecting Set up Apple Pay. Other mobile wallets, such as Google Pay or Samsung Pay, only take a few steps to set up once they've been downloaded and can be done using the card you presently have. Don't forget, your new card will not change your terms. When you get your new card, don't forget to destroy your old damaged card. Careful destruction of your old card can minimize your chances for identity theft. For more information about replacing your damaged credit card, visit CIBC.com.